Hi guys, we are back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make my lip glosses. So right now I'm going to clean my area off. Last time I made lip gloss, it got everywhere. It was a very messy, sticky situation, and it got all over the table. And now the lip gloss stained the table. So now I'm just gonna put the trash bag on the table and get my supplies out. You got gloves, your gel, of course, your syringe, coconut oil, avocado oil, and of course you need your lip gloss tubes. And we got some flavored oils. I am going to only fill about 5 of them because I'm not going to make a lot at this moment. And I did end up forgetting a bowl, so I went to get a bowl and a spoon. So now I'm going to put on my gloves. So now we're just going to open the lip gloss base and pour it into our bowl. So now I'm going to pour in our coconut oil. This is a brand new bottle, so I gotta open it. Now we're going to get our avocado oil, stir it in there too. I hope no one is allergic to avocado. I don't know if that's something people are allergic to, so if you are, be aware. Everything that I use in my lip gloss will be in the lip gloss description on my website, so just so you know. And then we're going to take our lip gloss flavor. We got lemon and cherry. I'm going to use the cherry one for this one. And as you see, I'm just going to open it and then pour it into the mixture. And yeah, it doesn't really smell too good. It smells like straight cough syrup or something. But anywho. This is the consistency that you want. So now we're just going to pour this mixture into our syringe. Yeah, I didn't like the way I was doing it, so I'm just going to take the spoon and scoop it in there like that instead. And this was the moment that I realized I forgot to put those dropper things, whatever you call these things, on the syringe. So this is what you see me doing now. Yeah, I know what you're gonna do is cut the top off and cut the bottom off. But I did in the later video. You will see how, yeah, it just didn't work after I already put the gel on because everything was already sticky at this point. So you're really supposed to tape it on there so it won't come out. But yeah, you will see later in this video. Okay, so now we can actually start filling our lip glosses up. So you take the lid off your lip gloss tube and now just fill them up. So this is what I was talking about earlier, how you were supposed to tape this thing on so it won't come off, because yeah, this is the problem you're going to have if you don't. So it's that simple and easy. The first lip gloss is done. Now we're just going to have to put our stopper in and put the top back on, and this one's done. Then I'm just going to continue the same process with the other lip glosses.